I don't need nothing about which was the silent thing.
And then you're not the best.
I like it Steve Dow's butt.
What's up?
I said look at Steve Dow's butt.
Oh, are you taking a video?
I am.
God damn it.
God damn it.
Stop videotaping me!
Thank you. We'll see you last. Stick around. The strength of beers and smokes and joints. And pets and dogs.
Wheels North is next.
Love you guys. Good job. Ladies and gentlemen, the Secret Life! Hit it again, the Secret Life! Fuck yeah, outstanding, dude. Plainfield, Florida, represent! Outstanding. Alright, guys. We are going to shred. The end of this night is insane. Oh my fucking god. We got Wheels North next.
Yeah.
Olivia and the Lovers. The Fighting Side. We got a brand new engine and guitarist. Holy fucking shit. And the Aaron Kelly band is going to grace this jubilation. Like a Voltron robot falling, the lines are all right. We're gonna save the universe tonight, and then we're gonna burn a fucking robot and have a great time. What I'm saying is, quickly and with motion, recharge your batteries.